Hi Mansoor.
Good evening, ma'am. Hi.
Good evening. Myself Savitri from Quality Department. Today I'm going to take a feedback video from your side. First of all, congratulations for your course completion.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
So Mansoor, can you introduce yourself, like your name and which year you passed out, your college name, your native?
Myself, Sheikh Mohammad Mansoor Shariff, ma'am. I am from Kannur, Guntur district, Andhra Pradesh. I have graduated BTech Civil Engineering from 2023 batch from Bapatla Engineering.
How you got to know about CMTI?
I have searched myself and I have Googled it and have enrolled on my own.
Okay. In CMTI, which course you have taken?
I have taken CACM plus B.
Which mode you have taken?
I have taken hybrid mode.
2 month online, 1 month offline. So how was the online classes and how was the offline?
Yeah, the online classes were very good, ma'am. According to the timetable, they are arranged very nicely, and the updates are also they are giving in the group daily through timetables and every class. The recordings are very nice. If in emergency sessions, if in case I have missed any recordings, they have updated me thoroughly, and I am very thankful. And regarding the offline classes, also not a day they have visited. Every day they have provided the site visits and which I want to. What is the requirement for me? Which I have told them which they have required everything, and I am very grateful.
Okay. In that course, what and all topic you have learned?
According to the course regarding CACM, they have told about the construction safety, and they have told about the sequence of constructions, and they have told about the unit measurements, and in detail about the preparation of bar bending schedules, about the column layouts and the plinth layouts, and the designing of the calculations of the required footings according to the plan. For example, like a residential or commercial building, for that how much bar bending schedule is required according to the site. And apart from that, the bill of quantities, like bill preparations for the heavy projects, like for an MNC's GPS and like that. They have clearly explained every topic throughout the class.
What are the softwares you have learned?
Yeah, regarding BIM, I have learned the AutoCAD sessions throughout the planning of the sections, layouts, and typical floor plans. And apart from that, in SketchUp classes, the 3D designs, like building different types of constructions through our unique designs, they have taught everything. Through BIM also, they have started the basic sessions. I have learned about the Revit.
Okay, Mansoor, you have visited various site and showroom visit, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the site visit and showroom visit you have visited?
Yeah, regarding site visits, I have visited up to like 7 site visits, ma'am. And regarding showroom, I have visited like 3 showroom visits. Apart in that showroom visits, it is about the interior visits. One was like about the hardwares and what are the hardwares which is used in building constructions of a house. And another site visit about the textures, like in interior designing, which textures are used like walls and designs, and in which part of layout we can differently design with a unique version. And apart from that, I have learned the different site visit about the floorings and plannings of the plans. Apart from that designs, we have designed every part in which apart from flooring, designing, and the wall textures, which I have visited through interior site visit. And coming to the constructional site visits, I have seen the excavation part and the footing part and the foundation part and the slab version part. Afterwards, that flooring and plastering part. And one site which I have visited, it is the work is done like through a craft foundation, and I have also visited that. Throughout the site visits, I have gained my knowledge through a particular.
Have you downloaded our CMT app?
Yes, ma'am.
How it was useful to you?
It was very much useful. Like I told, sometimes in an emergency cases, I have missed any type of classes. I have followed through the app, and I have seen that recording and recorded sessions. Apart from that, there are also like premium sessions for which I can download and take my tests to test my knowledge through that mock test. The app is very much helpful, and still now I am taking and learning.
Okay, so how was the coordinator supports and trainer supports towards you?
Mainly the Rekha ma'am, she was very much helpful because I'm like part from 800 kilometers. She was very much helpful through regarding every doubt. Like I have literally called through a minor or major doubt. She has very much explained herself about the institute and about the classes and about the sessions and about the updated topics regarding softwares or neither like teaching subjects. So ma'am was very much helpful, and regarding this 1 month offline classes also, I was very much worried, but she has given like a boost up for me that everything will be fine and you just visit, and every coordinator will be very much helpful and very much responsive. So like that only I have received a good response.
So finally, Finally, what you want to tell about your seniors and juniors who want to join the CMTA?
Regarding the CMTI, my genuine opinion is it is a very vast platform. Regarding throughout civil engineering, there are many type of streams in which they can provide any type of stream. Like if you want internship, they will provide internship. If you want online training, they will provide online training. Or apart from you are only looking for a job, either you are experienced or a fresher. They are to their level to provide you what is the requirement you want, and that is very much benefit for us because like we come from other states in part of searching jobs. In these type of institutes, they are providing that much self data for us to lead a good career. That in that point of view, the CMTI is very much helpful. And either it is senior or junior, I will recommend betterly to join CMTI by their own or by their reference because CMTI is very much helpful in offline and online part.
Okay, Mansoor. Once again, congratulations for your course completion. Have a bright future. Thank you for your feedback.
Thank you very much.